An extremely low score during a food inspection is now causing concern for people living in a senior center in Duluth.
Yeah, and you might be shocked by this number, 25 out of 100. New at 6, 11 Alive's Molly Oak set out to see why the score was so low and what's being done to keep people safe.
The county health department says what started as a routine inspection turned into an educational visit. However, those with loved ones living inside this facility say that score is causing a lot of concern. 25 out of 100.
I was in shock.
A score that those with family living here say is a huge concern.
For the well-being of not just loved ones, but other residents as well. Many of them are immunocompromised, higher in age, more susceptible to diseases.
We spoke with someone who didn't want to be identified, whose loved one lives at Park at Duluth, a senior living center. Their relative received this letter a few days ago, alerting them of the inspection score.
It needs to be more than just on a piece of paper that they're working on it. I think that a score that low put people's life in danger, literally.
We talked with the Gwinnett, Newton, and Rockdale County Health Departments about the score that landed this facility with a U grade. The CEO and district medical director says 3 to 4% of restaurant inspections earn a U, which is 69% or below. She added very low scores are extremely uncommon. The inspection also notes more than 9 critical violations. She says those violations are based on higher risk categories according to the FDA Model Food Code. GNR County Health Department says the environmental health team spent hours on site correcting the critical violations and gave additional food safety training. It says the team also revisited the facility earlier this week to help them prep for the next inspection, which happens within 10 days of the last one. I spoke with the vice president of operations at the facility, who then sent me a statement saying in part that they were both surprised and disappointed by the score. He says along with fixing the issues, they also developed a correction plan and have been working closely with the health department ahead of its next return.
I hope that they really truly take care of the residents there. Some of them don't have families that are nearby. So I'm hoping that this will help bring light to a pretty serious situation and that it's not something that's swept under the rug and that they can, like I said, they can be held accountable for their negligence and make things whole for everybody there and make things, most importantly, safe.
To see that full inspection, head to 11alive.com. Reporting in Duluth, Molly Oak, 11 Alive News.